Hey there, it's Daniel from TheGoodocs.com where you can get free Google Docs templates and guides. And let's use Google Sheets to create a spreadsheet. Creating files, folders, and Google Documents is made straight on the Google Drive itself. So first, we gotta get there. You do it either with a link, the drive.google.com that I left in the description, or you do it from a Google homepage. Simply go to google.com, drag the mouse cursor to the top right corner to this button with multiple dots, click on it, and locate the Drive item with such an icon, and then press it. Now, if you are logged into Google, you will instantly get to your Drive's homepage. But if you're not, you'll see such a picture. If you don't have an account, click Create Account, and then return here and follow further steps. Here, we enter our Google email address or a phone number linked to the account. Then press Next down here, entering the password. Press Next one more time. And now we're on the Google Drive. Once on the Drive, drag the mouse cursor to the top left corner, press New, and here, as you can see, you got a range of files to create. The docs, sheets, slides, forms, and more. This time, we need the sheets, so we're pressing it. And in the New tab in the browser, we got our fresh Google Docs spreadsheet that you can start editing from, let's say, naming it on the top here, which will be Demo Spreadsheet for me. And finally, you can either start filling it with data on your own, get a Sheets template, or see our tutorial about how to use Google Sheets and the templates for it. And yeah, all your edits are almost instantly saved in the cloud, that you can always check here on top. And if we get back to the Drive, you'll see that your Google Sheets doc is right here. You click on it twice and continue editing it. Hundreds more guides and a lot of free Google Docs templates on TheGoodocs.com following the link below the video. Like to help share our videos to more people and subscribe to see more guides. I hope we helped you. Thank you for watching.